guys, my name's Aurora and I'm going to be unboxing an LOL Surprise Boy ball. So first you gotta pull the zipper, but I need help from my mommy. Come over here, Mommy. Introduce your name.
I'm Olivia.
She owns a store that's called Liv and Rory. Rory's my nickname. First you pull the zipper, and after that you get the code. The secret code. Can you guys read it? It's right in the corner. Let's see. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? Okay, the next one. Here is the zipper. Oh, I can't wait to see who I got. Let's see, here's the stickers. It can either color change, tingle, cry, or spit. Game on. The first one said, unboxing. Call my mom Miss Olivia if she's ever in something like a video, one of these videos. Oh, I forgot to tell you, I've got these OMG dolls. This one's name is Candylicious and Rebel Girl, I think. Oof, got it. Oh, this is one of the kinds. We got the first blind bag. Mommy, we got the first blind bag. Whoa. And it feels like the bottle. Please be. Mommy, can you hand me the scissors? Okay. Whoa. We got this red and black zebra striped bottle with a white top. Okay. Come on. Woo! Okay. We got the second blind bag. And it feels like shoes. Wait a minute, where's the scissors again?
I'll put them back over there.
Okay. Yep. Oh no. Hang on a second. Here it is. Ooh. We got some yellow and black shoes. Okay. Anyways, I can tell you my dad's name. His name's Travis. Call him Mr. Travis. He works in the Air Force. And we play video games together. And it's pretty fun. It is pretty fun. I'm telling you, it is fun. Okay. Pop the top. Woo. Do not roll off the table, buddy. There you go. Stay like that. Stay like that forever. Okay. Oh my gosh. This keeps on getting better and better. We got a red and black zebra striped top and pants. These kind of look like yoga clothes to me. Time to open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hang on, Mommy. Mommy, wait. Can you come and open this ball? I don't really want my thumb to get bleeding or something. Pretty hard.
There you go.
I know. Let's check the checklist. Oh my gosh. I know who it is. Swaggy. See? He's right there. See? That's the guy I'm gonna get. Okay. Another big one. Oh, look at this. It's like a little tub. See? Let's see what's in here. It must be a chain necklace. Yep. It's a chain necklace. Keep cool, guys. I love LOL balls so much. Ooh, and here's the cool shades. Oh, yeah. And then I got the chain for it. Oh my gosh. It's a little desk, a seat. Look at this. See, it's like a little home. Wait a minute. And watch, look at this, guys. Look. You can put the little bottle in there. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh. This just keeps on getting better and better. Okay, is that all the blind bags? Yeah. Now we can see our cool dude. Okay, let's open this up. I gotta go get the scissors real quick. Or can I open it with my teeth? Yay, I opened it, and oh my gosh, you guys, he looks so cute. Oh, my gosh, nope. You guys, you do not want to look at his private spot. See, that's what he looks like. All naked. See, he's naked. Okay, I'm gonna dress him. So you can't see his private spot. I knew I was gonna get this guy. I just recognized his pants so much. All I need is MC Swag and Swag. Did you know that? Ooh. Anyways, write in the comments down below what name for my episodes do you think I should have? Like, you know, how you watch those videos, you know, they say the name of the video that you're watching first. You know how that is? Like Toy Caboodle and Cookie Swirl C. Cookie Swirl C. Like that. Think of a name in the comments down below. And it has to be LOL themed since I love LOLs. A lot. I'm telling ya. It is a lot. And after this video, once this video is almost done, guess what? Guess what, you guys? I'm going to show you my whole collection of LOLs, which is pretty small, I think. Okay, then I think he will color change because the ones who spit do color change. So I'm going to put them in cold water. Did I break those? No. And you guys, just so you know, if you're having a hard time putting on the glasses or the shades or whatever it's called, if you're having a hard time, you can break them. So make sure to always have a parent near you. If they're upstairs doodling, just call them or something. Like, Mom, Dad, come down here, I need your help, blah, blah, blah. Like that. Okay. Put his shoes on. Oh my gosh! Don't go away. Oh, gotcha. Phew. I'll slide all this stuff over here. Be a clean surface over here. And let's see the whole collection. Oh, the ultra rare one. Okay, here's the front. And then, wow, this one's pretty small. And then this top one is ultra rare. Which one do you guys want? Tell it down in the comments. Whew, this is pretty hard. And Mom, guess what?
Yeah.
I got, what is his name? What's his name? Oh, here's the checklist. His name's Swaggy. Ow. Ugh. I love LOL dolls so much that guess what? I would freak if I got an LOL surprise. I would freak if I got a LOL surprise chalet. Have you ever heard of that? And guess what? The top of the bath, do you see the middle? It's a little pacifier. It's so cute. Anyways, you see the top? You just snap all of this together. Actually, put the top on first. Ah! Come back here. You snap the top on first. And then...
Oh, wow, he's cool.
Yeah, his name is Swaggy. You just snap the top on. And guess what? You're all good to go with your guys standing up. Yeah, he stands up, you guys. Oof. You just gotta find... You close it up. Oh my gosh. Why is this not closing? Oh. You just close